Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney, and today we're doing Tiny Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I have $30 here, and yes, this is the same cup that I was drinking from yesterday because I'm batch recording. So we are going to get started with some fresh Tinies. We have 3 new ones today because last week we finished 3 challenges, which was awesome to finish out our month of January. I love Tiny Tuesdays, guys. They are probably my favorite way to save money. And with these tiny savings, I use these to fund like my sinking funds for the next month. I do put some stuff in my sinking funds if it's like a high priority need. But everything else just gets the money that I save with these Tinies. And it's been really fun. It was really fun to see what I saved in the month of January. So if you didn't see that video, there's a January reallocation video that I posted over the weekend that you can go watch and check out what I was able to save. How have y'all been doing? What has been going on this week for y'all? I hope work is going well for you. I hope you guys are healthy. Okay. Let's go. We might have finished some challenges today too, which is so fun. Love Tiny Tuesdays for that reason too, because it's just so easy to finish stuff and you feel so accomplished. Okay, so our first challenge here is a collaboration between me and Vicki Thinks. And so this is just a little tiny that I made. You can grab that on my Ko-fi. You can grab Vicki's challenges on her Ko-fi. She has a Shut the Box and 2 minis. So go check her out. She's doing amazing stuff over there on her channel. And this got $2, so we are filling in one of these circles because each one is $2. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. All right, this next challenge is a freebie by Bookish Mama Budgets. I don't think this is in her Ko-fi anymore, but she has other things available that you can go check out. This got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what it needed to be done. So yay, we finished this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this is, I guess, going towards my craft, but I will see how it goes at the end of the month, and we might switch it up and put it somewhere else, depending on what we need. But this has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome. All right, so this is going in our finished challenges bag. Oh, love it. We are already doing so well for this month. So exciting. Okay, next we have this one, Happy Easter by Canadian Finance Journey. And we needed 3 to finish, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. And so this should have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's correct. Okay. All right, so another one finished. This one is going towards miscellaneous, apparently. But again, we'll see what we end up needing at the end of the day, or the end of the month, rather. Okay, so that one's going in there. All right, next we have this new challenge here by 6 Girls Budget. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, and we finished this. Okay. That is all we needed for this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, just drew all over my thumb. All right, so 6 Girls Budget has these Tinies available for free. You can go grab them. Check out her channel if you're not familiar with her. All right, next we have this new challenge by High Country Budgeting. This cute little hippo here. And this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that one is going to be finished as well. So we're gonna just color in each one of these little flowers. This cute little hippo smelling the flowers is just so adorable. So if you guys have never done tiny savings, I highly recommend it. It is so fun, and you can always just get started with tinies and see, you know, what a difference it makes to just save a little bit at a time with whatever budget you're working with. Okay, so there's that one. This is going so quick, guys. We're gonna need like all new challenges for next week. Okay, and then this one was another new one by Angela Marie 888. This one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, you guys, so we finished this one too. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there's that. And so what we're gonna do with these $2 is we're just gonna fill in this last little circle for this one. I honestly don't know why I did these as $2, not 1, because I usually just do everything as 1. But we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one is finished as well. So we finished 6 challenges today, guys. How crazy is that? Oh my goodness. Is that right? Am I losing my mind? It's very possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we finished 6 challenges, guys. That is insane. Okay, and it really, I have no idea. It just is the way that because I always do 30 on Tiny Tuesdays, so it must just be the way that the cards were. I don't know. But we have, I guess we're gonna have to get all new challenges for next week, which is great. So let's see. Well, I'm gonna probably pick them out later, but I know I wanted to use these 3 next. So next week we'll have all new challenges. Yay, so exciting. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. That is it for today, and I will see you tomorrow for some games and some debt binder savings. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye.